growth rates this morning, and it's once again a very, very quiet start. The Nifty Bank at that 55,720 thereabouts print, and this after hitting an all-time record high yesterday, that of 56,161 that you had in trade. So that's, of course, what you're seeing right now on the Nifty Bank. Other than that, a lot of newsmakers like we've been flagging off. First, let's bring up Sun Pharma. They're going to discontinue their studies of one of their key molecules, SCD-044, after it failed to meet the primary objective. AB Fashion, wherein Flipkart is looking to sell the entire 6% stake at a discount of a good 7% to its current market price. ABFRL has cracked about 7.25%. We should flag off those block deal details and get you the details on that. Yes Bank, wherein Carlyle sold 41 crore rupees shares at 21.6 rupees per share via block deals. And then, of course, the board approval coming in for a sizable fundraise. For Indegene as well, Carlyle is selling their entire 10.25% stake. NMDC, they've cut the lump ore prices by 140 rupees per ton and fines prices for 150 rupees per ton effective today, 1.6% lower for NMDC. Ola Electric, Hyundai Motor, Kia were the sellers in Tuesday's block deal. Citi was the buyer. Tata Tech, TPG Rise is looking to sell about just an over 2% equity stake via block deals, and this is going to be at a 3% discount to its current market price. So that's the other stock which is in focus. What about HDFC Bank? SEBI has approved that HDB Financial's 12,500 crore rupees sizable IPO. HDFC Bank, the leadership clearly holds out 1900 plus levels now on HDFC Bank. Or for that matter, even Wipro, wherein they've won that multi-year deal with Entrust for AI-powered tech services. Wipro starts off 0.5% higher in trade right now. I want to see what Bharat Forge as well is up to, given that the North America Classic truck orders have impressed and they've come in pretty strong for themselves. It's been a big jump that you've seen on a month-on-month basis. So Bharat Forge is not really feeling all that excitement right now in trade. That said, a bunch of other names. Alchem Labs, remember we were telling you that the promoter is looking to sell 1.42% stake in block deals. Floor price set at that 4850 odd mark. Ashok Leyland, which has bagged that 183 crore rupee order for the supply of chassis to the TN State Transport Corp. So these are a bunch of stocks which are also in focus this morning. Other than that, it looks like a very, very quiet construct for the market. You're not really seeing any meaningful move anywhere other than select few banks like an HDFC, which have started off strong. Tata Tech, that block deal has happened. 2% equity has changed hands. There are other like Alchem, ABFRL also, which are in queue for the block deals. And I think ABFRL block deal also has happened. You can tell by the price action. By the way, there's Zydus Life as well, which plans to acquire a US-based biologics manufacturing facility. It's a $75 million upfront payment that they have to make for that, 0.7% higher for this particular stock as we speak right now. What are you making? It's a very quiet move at an index level. Do you think there's a likelihood of us picking up from here? Rajesh, can you hear me?
Yeah. So very stock-specific action is taking place. I think some of the stocks where we are focusing, that is one is Glenmark. The way stock managed to be breakout on the weekly chart of falling trend line, I think here we could see some traction on the higher side of 1545 to 1560 would be the next target. Keep stop loss at around 1505. Paytm is also looking very attractive. The way stock managed to give breakout on a weekly chart. Here also we could see some traction towards 965 to 970 zone. So Paytm is also on our buy list with stop loss of 930. And some of the IT stocks are also showing recovery. So I think Cyient can be looked at, though there was muted kind of behavior in last couple of days. But looking at the near-term structure, we believe that if stocks continues to trade above 1330, here we could see some traction on the buying side, and 1365 to 1380 would be the next target for the stock. So I think index is likely to remain on a sideways manner, but stock specific action would be there. So one needs to focus only on the stocks till Nifty is not able to give breakout of 24,650 zone. That would be the near term resistance. So if at all Nifty not crosses these level, I think one should focus only on the stock specific. Even on the capital goods, Cummins India is also looking very promising. The way stock managed to give breakout, I think here also one can focus. We could see 3400 to 3420 would be the next target with stop loss of 3330.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.